Good morning, welcome to Morning Review. This is Kim Watson speaking on Wednesday, the 30th of March. Okay, so looking at the euro dollar first, and well, Yellen's very dovish comments yesterday evening saw the euro soar, and it's continuing pretty much in that vein. And I wouldn't be surprised if we see it pushing up for the prior highs here at this rate, up towards that 113.40, 113.50 sort of zone. So we could see a bit of a continuation. Now I can see on some of the time frames a bit of divergence going on up here. We'll see how well that lasts. But it's certainly a possibility that we, as I say, we can just push on here towards that sort of those higher levels. R1 certainly would be a potential target here. Or if we do start seeing it slow up a little bit, I can't really get too bearish until it sort of broke this trend line across the lows here. It has got, say, a bit of divergence from probably running through from those prior highs to the current highs, but it was the sort of negativity throwing around in the Asian sector as well. I just think we could maybe just push on. Cable's pretty much similar story, same sort of strong move up again yesterday. It's pushing up again at the moment. There is again a bit of divergence, particularly on the hourlies there, but same picture, could just carry on pushing. So really can only look at the bullishness of this market at the moment in real terms for these two. It hasn't pushed quite the same as quite as strong as the euro this morning. That's one thing I'd say. So if there is the slightly weaker one, maybe it is cable there. Dollar yen, well, despite the figures being pretty poor in terms of the outputs, etc. for Japan, the overall the Asian Development Bank put out the GDP forecast, which were pretty low, and cut everyone's figures again, and that just saw sort of a move towards safety, and effectively the dollar yen rather is safety within that region, and hence we're seeing it strengthen as opposed to weaken effectively. So it's moving back down in strong old trend at the moment. Again, maybe on the hourlies there's a bit of divergence going on there. To get anywhere near bullish, you'd have to break that hourly at 8 moving average, and maybe there could be something at play towards the 21s, but you're really battling against a strongish trend at the moment. Aussie dollar, again, despite the regional bank, it's pushing up here, a bit more hope maybe. It's pushing up on the weak dollar, weak US dollar, and pushing up for these prior highs. I should imagine possibly today. Certainly pushing up at some rate. Now we've got daily pivots below us, all of them at the moment, but I get that feeling that unless we start seeing some proper sell-off, I'd rather be on the long side. Canadian dollar, no surprises, come off here, and at the moment it actually is as ever. Let's have a quick look at oil. Maybe coming off still. Yeah, it's just pulling back down slowly but surely, coming back down. $38 maybe will end up towards the sort of 35 area again at some point before it gets another bounce. But certainly could be coming down to that sort of region there. Oops, looking at the wrong pair. That's it. Back to the Canadian dollar. At the moment, to me, it looks like it could be heading for those lows at 29.20 sort of area once again. At least coming down to the 130 area. Again, erring towards divergence here, but as I say, I'd rather be on the go with direction, the current direction on these markets. So all in all, same old picture across there. What's happening today? Not a lot really. We've got ADP non-farm. ADP non-farm is coming out at 1:15. Um, so coming out early this earlier. It's still in the previous month. Normally it's in the new month, but they're coming out 1:15. So that's it. Crude oil inventories at 3:30, so we may get a bit of blip in Canadian dollar at that time. So quite a similar market, similar sort of focus through there. It looks like dollar weakness may just prevail a little bit, and at the moment I'd rather be on the side of the other majors as opposed to trying to fight it. That's it for me. Have a great day. Bye for now.